Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for coming. My name is Sheon Digital. Simply call me SD. So in this video, I want to show you how much YouTube pays for just 17,000 views. I was surprised when I saw how much I got for 17,000. I was like, what? Because I wasn't expecting that much. I'm going to tell you why it was so, how long was the video, then where do people watch that video from. All of these things contributed to the revenue. So how long was that video, where did they watch from, then how many people actually saw the video before this 17,000 now click to watch. So let's dive into it. Right here on my phone, you can see that I have 17 views here. All right, this is total view, and from here you can also go, if I go a little bit down, you can see the video duration is 54 minutes 24 seconds. 54-minute video. Wow, that's very long, right? It's a tutorial and it's quite long, and people watch this video. All right, and then top traffic source for this video, YouTube search. People search, that's about 21%. Then other YouTube feature, 21%. Then we have the browse features, that is 16%. Suggested video, that's 9%, and extra, that is about 5%. So if we move a little bit up and go to this part that says here, watch time, this video actually gave me 1.8 hours, 1,800 hours of watch time. That's massive. All right, and then if I, okay, let's also go subscribers. All right, this video gave 670 subscribers, 670 subscribers for just 17,108 views. So if I click on the reach here, you're going to see in total how many people saw this video. 181,900 people saw the video. When they are just flipping through their home page, they came across it and just, I don't need it. The guys that they didn't click, or many of them don't find it, the topic wasn't interesting, or the image wasn't attractive enough. So 181,900 people saw it, but it was just 17,000 that clicked through to watch it. So then I've mentioned this browser, YouTube search and suggestion, all of those things. Then external sites or app. Okay, some people came from WhatsApp to watch this video, 33.4%. Then WhatsApp.com 19.5%. WhatsApp Business 11.1% came through external links, that WhatsApp link. Then search African folktale. That's the title of the video, right? 5.5% people search for African folktale, and they came across and they click on my video, they watched it. And others search for how to create African folktale stories video, and they saw it. About 3.6 people also clicked through to watch it. Some also search African tales. 2.7% people use that search title, right? So, and then these are suggestion content, right? Something that looks like what I did. So if I go to engagement, under engagement, if I go a little bit down here, you can see likes versus dislike. Like 99.0% like it, channel average 87.9%. Then if I go to audience, their age, their location, and all. So the audience, device, if you see device, this is the device type. Some people use mobile, some use computer, some use TV, some use tablet. 65% people use mobile phone to check this video. That's 65.5%. Then computer, we have 20.1% people that use computer to check this, and we have TV. 12% people use their TV, and also tablet. 2.4% people use tablets. Then age, what are their age range? So we have about 17 to 19, none. 18 to 24 years, 9.4%. Then 25 to 34 years, 90.6%. Then gender, we have female, we have male. Male, we have 46.6%. Wow, which means this video was actually watched more by female, which is 53.4% female. Then we have top geographic, people that watch from Nigeria, that stays in Nigeria. We have 43.3% people. And US, we have 1.3% US. Imagine if I have more US, that shows that I'm gonna get more money. Then Ghana, people from Ghana, 1.0%. Then we have top subtitle, which is language in English, people that translate English, 18.2%. Then no subtitle, people that don't use the subtitle button at all, 81.6%. The video was actually made in English language, so there is no need for subtitling. So we have watch time from subscriber, not subscriber people, 92.4% people. Subscriber, people that have subscribed to my channel, 7.6% people came in. So now now that you know all of these things, before I click on the revenue for you to see the revenue, here are a few things that contributed to the success of the revenue. Number one, that video was long enough for me to put more ad slot in it. So because the video was 54 minutes 24 seconds, so I was able to put more than 20 ad slot in it. Secondly, some people came in from the US to watch the video. 1.3% people watched from the US and some from Ghana and also from Nigeria. So those are the two things. Let's go to the revenue. If I click on the revenue now, so this video gave me $105.95. $105.95. Imagine for just 17,000 views and I have $105.95. Imagine. So now, how much did the advertiser pay for this video? Advertiser paid $13, $13.16 for this video, and YouTube pay me RPM. They pay me $6.21. It's not too bad. So that is what YouTube pays for that. So this is the earnings by ad type, right? We have skippable, display, non-skippable, bumper ad, and unknown. Number one, skippable, I have over 86.7%. Then display 8.3%, non-skippable 2.4%, while the bumper 2.4%, and the unknown 0.1%. So these are the things that contributed to the success of this video. So imagine this, and it makes sense, right? So if you actually want to make money from YouTube, try to make sure your video is a little bit longer, and also make sure it's more valuable, it's so that they can get more value for them to watch from the beginning to the end. Because that video was long, I was able to put more ads, and I make sure that that video is something that will resonate with people around the world. People from the US will love to watch it, so that's why people from US search, they were able to say it and watch that video. So if you're planning to give up on your YouTube, don't give up, just continue to do what you're doing, because it's going to definitely pay you. Your result will surely come. There was a time I wasn't making anything on YouTube. I kept showing up, I kept doing my own thing, and now I'm making some reasonable amount of money. Imagine with just 17,000 views, and I was able to make over $100. That makes sense. Imagine if I have more views on that video, I'll continue to make more money. So that will be end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you're yet to subscribe on this channel, maybe you've gotten value from this video so far, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. When you turn on the notification bell, it helps you to know whenever I drop videos like this. And don't forget to also like this video. I will appreciate that, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Peace.